सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 11, verse number 50th. संजय उवाच इत्यर्जुनं वासुदेवस्तथोक्त्वा स्वकं रूपं दर्शयामास भूयः। आश्वासयामास च भीतमेनम् भूत्वा पुनः सौम्य वपुर्महात्मा। The entire Bhagavad Gita, if we divide into 3 Shatkams, the Madhyama Shatkam is talking about the Tatpada Vicharan, Ishvara Swarupam. Since this 11th chapter occurs in the Madhyama Shatkam, the topic is Ishvara Swarupam. What is the nature of Ishvara is the topic. In the 7th and 9th chapters, we have understood that Ishvara is all-pervading. God exists. God alone became the world. World is nothing but God. This is what we have understood. Therefore, since Ishvara alone is pervading the entire universe, the universe must be the Lord alone. It cannot be separate from Ishvara. Krishna Rupam is Vishwam. Krishna Rupam is Vishwam. Therefore, Vishwarupam. Vishwarupam means what? Krishna Rupam is Vishwam. Vishwam means universe. Lord Krishna's form is universe. Therefore, Vishwam is the body of the Lord. This is called Aneka Rupa Ishvara Jnanam. In every name and form, Bhagavan alone is appearing. Bhagavan alone is appearing because since Bhagavan is all-pervading, nothing can exist separate from Bhagavan. Therefore, you see the entire universe as Bhagavan. This is a great leap from Eka Rupa to Aneka Rupa. Eka Rupa Bhakti to Aneka Rupa Bhakti is a big jump now. Jump where? Intellectual, cognitive change. It is a cognitive change. But you require a qualification, that's all. To see the universe as Bhagavan, you require a qualification. What is that qualification? BA, MA, NA qualification required, Nishkama Bhakti. Nishkama Bhakti alone is the qualification to see the divinity in the whole creation. Nishkama bhakti means surrender to God completely. That is called divinization of the universe. That's called perspective change. Your perception will change. That is called perspective change. There is no eventually change at external level, only in your understanding. You require that qualification, Nishkama Bhakti, without expecting any materialistic results. I have to worship the Lord only for Chitta Shuddhi. Only for Chitta Shuddhi, I have to worship the Lord, not for any worldly pleasures or worldly objects. That is called Nishkama Bhakti. Once Lord Krishna has given that Vishwarupa Darshanam to Arjuna, what Lord Krishna did, really speaking, Lord Krishna gave Divya Chakshu to Arjuna. What do you mean by Divya Chakshu? Temporary removal of Raga and Dvesha from the mind of Arjuna. Temporary removal of attachment and aversion from the mind of Arjuna is called Divya Chakshu Pradhanam. Taking out the individuality from Arjuna's mind. That individuality or ahankara. Ahankara, that is called ego. Temporarily means ego is temporarily removed, but not out. Not totally out. It is temporarily out. Again it will come. Now it is going to come. No? Because Arjuna asked, I don't want this Vishwarupam. I am very, very much disturbed. I lost my peace totally. Therefore take your Vishwarupam back. Which is the highest form of appearance. Arjuna is not able to enjoy that continuously. So he wants what Eka Rupa, the lower nature of Ishvara, then Aneka Rupa. Eka Rupa is lower nature. So he wants that nature. Therefore Lord Krishna showed, don't worry, my good old form I am showing you. You look at that form, be happy, peaceful. You need not be disturbed. That means what? Lord Krishna had taken the Vishwarupam again. No, again Lord Krishna gave Raga, Dvesha, as usual he kept in the heart of Arjuna. That's all. There is no event to take place again. Vishwarupa Adarshanam is impossible. Is it not? Vishwarupa Adarshanam is impossible. Vishwarupa going back, how is it possible? Vishwam was there, Vishwam is there. Therefore you cannot stop the Vishwam. Therefore Arjuna, from Arjuna's vision, it is removed. Therefore there is no event of disappearance of Vishwam, Vishwarupam. So what Lord Krishna did, just he has given back that Raga, Dvesha to Arjuna. Individuality niye vechukoppa anna. Enakku venda. Sambhramam, bhayam, bhakti, all emotions he has shown and he praised a lot. And he himself said, this is very rare opportunity I have got. But rare opportunity I have got, this is wonderful, great. But you take back. It's very difficult. Any maturity, it has to come by itself. You cannot give maturity just like, like a sweet. எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு ஸ்வீட் கொடுத்துற மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் மெச்சூரிட்டி நீ வச்சுக்கோ. While we are listening to the lecture also, we think maturity has come now. Then after putting chappal, our own maturity. After putting chappal, our own maturity comes to us again. The பழைய மாதிரி பேசிட்டு இருப்போம், அதே மாதிரி டாக், அதே மாதிரி அர்ஜுனா has entered into his own chappal ன்னு அர்த்தம், into his own ahankara. Sanjaya is telling now. Iti Arjunam Vasudevaha Uktva Tatha Uktva. Iti means 47 to 49 verses. Lord said, Krishna said, the same Vasudevaha Tatha Uktva, as said, same way as said above. Swakam Rupam Darshayamasa Bhuyaha. Bhuyaha means again. Swakam Rupam, his own form. Before showing the Vishwarupam, what was his form? Krishna form. His own form, Swakam Rupam, Darshayamasa. He has showed again his own Rupam with Kiritam, Chakram, Pitambaradharin. Then what Lord Krishna said? Ashvasayamasa enam bhitam. Hey Somya, don't afraid of my form. Ashvasayamasa. May you relax. May you console. He reassured him. To Arjuna, he reassured. Mahatma, the Lord Krishna, once again, Punaha, consoled Arjuna. Enam bhitam, that frightened Arjuna. He consoled whom? Whom he has to console? Arjuna. What type of Arjuna? Who is afraid of Vishwarupam. Therefore, Lord Krishna said, assured him, don't worry, now you can see my good old Krishna Rupam. Vasudevaha showed his same Rupam, Krishna Rupam, Vasudeva Krishna, Devaki Krishna, Rukmini Satyabhama, Sameta Krishna. He appeared in front of Arjuna. Like some children, when mother is away from them, they cry. Once mother comes and she takes that baby into her hands, still baby continues that. And mother go on telling, I'm here only, why you are crying? And that speed, momentum cannot be stopped easily. And mother has to do lot of consoling the baby. Then only the baby will stop. Adi madri, still Arjuna, the tremors are still there, feeble condition they are there. So, andalaku bhayamanna. See, how to understand this bhayamanna? The bhayam, as long as you are not able to accept the events, whatever events happen, if I don't accept they are the part of universal harmony, there is a bhayam. This is the truth we have to understand carefully. Why we are not able to accept the truth or the universal form of the Lord as Bhagavan everywhere. If Bhagavan is everywhere, every event is what? Bhagavan. It is a part of universal harmony. How can I reject that event? So accepting the every event as a part of universal harmony is called maturity. That is called Aneka Rupa Darshanam, Vishwarupa Darshanam. What is Vishwarupa Darshanam? Swamini, when can I see the Vishwam? I also want to see Vishwarupam of the Lord like Arjuna. എന്നർത്ഥം? 11th chapter പുരിയില്ല എന്നർത്ഥം. We should not desire to see Vishwarupam of Lord like Arjuna, because we have understood now at present also I am seeing the Vishwarupam. In Vyavaharika Prapancha, Vishwarupam can never disappear. Therefore, where is the question of desire for Vishwarupam? Then what? I am seeing Vishwarupam. What is the indication? Indication is accepting every event as a part of universal harmony, not universal disturbance, universal harmony. Any event means any event. Very, very difficult, no? If you accept any event in this creation as a part of the universal harmony, it is called Vishwarupa Darshanam. There is no rejection, there is no grumbling, there is no murmur, and I accept as it is. That is called maturity, that is called Vishwarupa Darshanam. Then you are ready for what? Aneka Arupa Ishvara. Ekarupa Jnanam, that Ekarupa Bhakti must lead to Anekarupa Darshanam. That Anekarupa Darshanam is possible when you are in from the Ekarupa. Then Ekarupa to Vishwarupa. Without Vishwarupa, you cannot come to Arupa. You cannot come to Arupa. If Arupa Jnanam Varanamanna enna pannanum? Vishwarupa Darshanam venu. Vishwarupa Darshanam ennartham? Accepting the events, pleasant events, unpleasant events, favorable, unfavorable, bitter incidents in my life also, they are the part of the events in the universal harmony. Why I have to see like that? If I don't see like that, I cannot come to Arupa Brahma Jnanam Varad. Self-knowledge is not possible. Why Manushyanam Sahasreshu Priyardaipo? Among thousands of people, only few people come to me, Arjuna, because many people cannot accept the events as they are. When they are coming in front, immediately we start complaining. No? இது ஏன் இப்படி, அது ஏன் இப்படி, எனக்கு மாத்திரமே இப்படி என்ன? So that is called witnessing with the Sakshi Bhava. Objectivity we have to develop. Objectivity towards the situations. Then you are relaxed. If you have objectivity instead of subjectivity, accept it. Okay, pain will be there. But this is in universe. This is the Ishvara's universal cycle. This is also. So if you accept one, you have to accept the other also. Pleasure you are accepting, you accept the pain also. சொல்லுறது ஈஸி சுவாமினி, மேடையில் உட்கார்ந்து கஷ்டமனி ஈஸின்னு சொல்லலை, கஷ்டம்தான், ஆனாலும் worth to practice. Why? I want to become a liberated person. I want to get Arupa Jnanam. வேணுமா விடு. You have to give it. Next shloka. Arjuna uvacha drishtvedam manusham rupam tava saumya janardana idanimasmi samvrittah sacheta prakritim gatah. Arjuna uvacha. Now Arjuna said, He Janardana. Now he is addressing Lord Krishna as Janardana. Now he is accepting Janan Ardayati iti Janardana. The one who give punishment to that evil-minded people is called Janardana. One who punish the evil-minded people. Idam saumyam manusham rupam drishtva. Idam, this saumyam, pleasing. What is pleasing? Manusham rupam, human form. Manusham na human. Rupa means form. Manusham rupam drishtva, seeing. By seeing your manusham rupam, like human form, Krishna form. Whose form? Yours alone. Krishna edo rupam varakudadu. Tava. Tava means your own form. Not any other form I am seeing. Your own form I am seeing. Manusham rupam. Idanim asmi. Idanim samvrittaha asmi. I have now become samvrittaha. Become with what? Peaceful. Sachetaha. I have asmi idanim. Now idanim means now. Samvrittaha asmi. Now I have become peaceful. Sachetaha. I have become samvrittaha sachetaha. I have got back my mind free from fear. I have got back my mind means previously my mind was frightened, total under fear. Now I am free from fear. Sachetaha means, he said, I have lost my mind now. I have lost my heart, I have lost my mind, and I have lost my peace of mind. Okay. Sachetaha means I have got my mind. Enna mind and munnadi irukra mind. Vishwarupathikku munnadi enna mind irukka? And the mind Sachetaha. Prakritim gataha. Again Prakritim anna normalcy enartham. I have come. Gataha means I have regained. I have regained, I have come to normalcy. Normal temperature enartham. I have come to normalcy. Now I am at home. Now I am at home. Natural state enartham. Shri Bhagavanu Vacham Sudurdarshamidam Rupam Drishtavanasi Yanmama Deva Apyasya Rupasya Nityam Darshana Kankshinaha. One incidental point. This fear is unnatural to us. When there is fear, there is anxiety. When there is anxiety, we feel so uncomfortable. Why? Because it is unnatural. Fear is unnatural. Anxiety is unnatural. Stress is unnatural. So nobody likes to stay with stress. I have stress today, so nice. Who can say like that? I have stress, I want to release my stress. I want to release my stress, anxiety, worry, hurt. Because whatever I desire to be free from, that is not natural enough. I desire to be free from anxiety. I desire to be free from stress. I desire to be free from worry. All these things because are unnatural. That's why I don't want to live with them. Whatever is natural, I don't want to run away. Then what is natural? Fearlessness must be the natural. So naturality always is natural. Natural beauty in chullo. If you are fearless, you are beautiful. No. If you are under fear, it is unnatural. That's why we want to run away from unnatural fear, unnatural worry. No. In sleep, is there fear? No fear. That's why we arrange the bed nicely. Kusuvelella katti nalla thoongurona. Yen ange fear kadiyadu. In sleep, I enjoy my natural state. So every one of us love to be natural. Now recognize this is a clue, indication to do a enquiry. What is happiness? This is one clue I am giving. This is what sadhana I was doing from my young age. Whenever I feel uneasy, some uneasy comes. This is not my nature. This is not my nature. Whenever uneasy comes, I am away from my nature. I am away from my nature. Let me go to my nature. That uneasiness will go away. Till today also I follow the same method. But frequency is less, very, very less, very, 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 very feeble. Takkana I switch on to that now. Whenever that uneasiness, disturbance, no, this is not my nature. It is unnatural to me. Just I switch on to my natural state. This constantly we have to do. If we do, moksham karatala malakam. Very, very easy. Never carry away by that uneasy situation. But it comes, fraction of a second, minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, okay. But not 10 years. Not months and years. Just rise, I recognize. Then I slowly switch on to my natural, comfortable state. This is called alert living. Be alert. You recognize you are that relaxed state. You are the relaxed Ananda Swarupam. You recognize. Very easy. Try. I tried this method. Worked for me. You also want to try, you can try. Sri Bhagavan Vacha. Idam mama rupam yat drishtavanasi. Hey Arjuna, whatever you have seen my form now, mama means of mine. Yat drishtavanasi. Whatever you have seen my form, sudurdarsham. Very, very difficult to see. Extremely difficult to see. Even by devaha api. Even by devatas. Devatas also struggle to see my Vishwarupam. Devaha nityam darshana kankshinaha. Even gods, nityam, are always darshana kankshinaha, craving for this vision. All the devatas were having lot of crazy for my Vishwarupam. Asya rupasya, of this form. Even gods are always craving for the vision, Vishwarupam, desirous of this universal form. That means why they are desirous of? It is not available easily. Sudur darsham, very difficult to get darshanam. Naham adhe tune varade. Naham vedairna tapasam nadanena na chejyayam Shek शक्य एवं विधो द्रष्टुम् दृष्टवानसि मां यथा। The repetition of 48th shloka. Same way, he says, Aham vedaihi na drishtavan asin. Or vedaihi aham na drashtum shakyaha. Vedaihi means I am not available to those people who ever chant Vedas. Dvivedi, Trivedi, Chaturvedi. 4 வேதங்கள் தான் இருக்கு. ஓகே, சதுர்வேதி அது மேல கிடையாது. சதுர்வேதி. Even a person who is well versed in all 4 Vedas, Mimamsa, all Shastrams, very difficult for such a person also to see this vision. Vedaihi na shakyaha evam vidhaha drashtum. In this manner, what form I have shown to you, in this manner to show to them also it is difficult. I cannot appear in front of them. Pava ivan 4 vedam padichirka. These Vedas given by me only. He is regularly chanting Jata Vallabha. Jata Vallabhana, Jata Pata Nalla Pandravana Artham. Ghana Pati, your Panditar, let me give a Vishwarupa Darshanamana. Kudukamatayana. Yana. If they have Nishkama Bhakti alone, I will appear. But very rarely people have Nishkama Bhakti. So they always want what? Material things. So how can I appear in front of them? So that means Veda Patanam is the superior karma. For them also it is not possible. Not only that. Na tapasa evam vidaha drashtum shakyaha. Even by intense, severe austerities. Severe austerities torturing their body. I want to get Vishwarupa Darshanam. Let punish my body, torturing one's own body. Denying so many things, all comforts and all. And trying to do Vishwarup, see the Vishwarupam. No, I am not concerned about those people, even they do austerities also. But I am very much what? Concerned about those people who are all having Nishkama Bhakti, who are all free from individual ego. ஒரு சின்ன குழந்தை மாதிரி மனசு யாருக்கு இருக்குமோ அவனுக்கு தான் நான் அவைலபிள். மை விஸ்வரூபம் தே கேன் see. வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். நோ, சின்ன குழந்தை மனசு எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்? சுவாமி, நான் ஐ ஆம் எல்டஸ்ட், நோ, ஐ எம் ஓல்டர் பர்சன், ஹவு கேன் ஐ ஹாவ் எ சைல்டு லைக் மைண்ட்? என்ன சைல்டு லைக் மைண்ட்? ஐ எம் டெல்லிங், சைல்டிஷ் மைண்ட் இல்லை, சைல்டு லைக் மைண்ட், இன்னசென்ட். ஒன்னும் தெரியாது, பொறாமை என்னதே தெரியாது, ராகத்வேஷ தெரியாது. That's why baby loves mother all the time. How many times mother shouts at the child and beats also many times, but the child goes and embraces the mother. அப்படிப்பட்ட மனசு நமக்கு இருக்கணும் பகவான் மேல. ஓகே, ந தபசா ந தானேன, டூயிங் லாட் ஆஃப் தானம், கோதானம், பூதானம், ஸ்வர்ணதானம், வஸ்திரதானம், vidyadanam, so many dhanams are there, no? People are contributing so much to get. Now, even for them also I am not available in this form, Arjuna. Now he is giving that greatness, significance, how difficult to Sudu Darshamanu சொன்னார் இல்லையா, அதுக்கு இவர் விளக்கம் கொடுக்கிறார் கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா. ந இஜ்யயா, even யக்னேன, even by intense, the vast, they spend lot of things for yajnam, no? Yajna yagam they do in a huge manner, they conduct yajnam yagam and all. For such people also I won't appear like this. మరి యారికి స్వామి? దానం, తపస్సు, యజ్ఞం. యజ్ఞాన పూజ ఆల్సో. ఎ పర్సన్ హూ డస్ పూజ 24 hours பகவான் நாமம் ஜபிச்சுட்டே இருப்பான். ஆர் 24 hours ஏதோ ஒரு பூஜை அது இது அனுஷ்டானம்ல இருப்பான். பகவான் கிவ் தர்ஷனம் அண்ணா? நோ. எவ்வளோ அந்நியாயம்னா, யுஜ்யான யஜ்ஞம், யாகம் ஆர் வர்ஷிப். அகம் திரஷ்டும் ந சக்யா. கேன் ஐ பி சீன் பை தம் அண்ணா? முடியாது. ந சக்யா நீங்க போட்டுக்கணும். Can I be seen by those people who are doing intense austerity, by those people who are doing immense dhanam and who are doing yajnam, yagam, tapas, puja and all, nothing doing? Evam vidaha, in this form, yatha darshitam, just as I have shown to you. Yatha vishwarupam darshitam prakashaha to you, like that. It's not possible to all people. What to talk of ordinary people who are doing yajna, yagam, dhanam, tapas, avங்களுக்கே கிடைக்கலன்னா what to talk of ordinary people ஒன்னும் பண்ணாதவனுக்கு. Now you understand where Bhagavan is available, in what condition of mind or what status of mind Bhagavan loves, likes. அது புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். நம்ம அது புரிஞ்சுக்காம என்னென்னமோ பண்ணிட்டு இருப்போம். அவருக்கு யூ cannot hide anything from Bhagavan. Your heart he knows. Who knows my heart? Not husband, not wife. Even near dear people also cannot understand. Children cannot understand. Parents cannot understand. Bhagavan only can understand. Therefore give your heart to Bhagavan, pure heart. எப்படி கொடுக்கணும்? Pure heart, without raga, dvesha, asuya, இதெல்லாம் இல்லாமலே இருக்கணும். தப்பு கண்டுபிடிக்க கூடாது. உடனே தப்பு 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 எல்லா இடத்துலையும் சின்னது கூட நம்ம உடனே வில் மிஸ்டேக்கிங். இந்த மிஸ்டேக்னு சொல்லலாம். மிஸ்ஸிங்கு டேக்கிங். அந்த மிஸ்டேக் தட் ஆல்சோ. குழந்தை பாருங்க, எப்போ மிஸ்டேக்கே பார்க்காது. நம்ம மனசு எப்பவுமே ஃபைண்டிங் த லூப் ஹோல்ஸ் ஆல் த டைம், கம்ப்ளைண்ட்ஸ் அது இல்லாமல் இருக்கு மனசு. அதெல்லாம் கிருஷ்ணர் சொல்லலைங்க. ஓவரால் தட் இஸ் த இன்டென்ஷன். யதா திருஷ்டவான் மாமசி, ஜஸ்ட் ஆஸ் யூ ஹவ் சீன் நவ் திஸ் special form I have shown to you, which is very very rare opportunity people get. Why I have shown to you? Now Lord Krishna giving the reason. I am very intelligent Arjuna. சும்மா கொடுக்க மாட்டேன் இந்த மாதிரி தரிசனம் எல்லாமே. பக்த்யாத்வனன்யயா சக்யஹ அஹமேவ விதோர்ஜுனா ஞாதும் த்ரஷ்டும் ச தத்வேன பிரவேஷ்டும் ச பரம் தப. ஹே அர்ஜுனா, ஓ அர்ஜுனா, அனன்யயா பக்தியா அஹம் திரஷ்டும் சக்யஹ. Not by tapas, yajnam, yagam, dhanam and all, but I am available in this form. People can see me only when they have ananya bhakti, ananyaya, by undivided devotion. That is nishkama bhakti. Anya bhakti, anyaha without, anyaha means other an artham. Na anyaha means without other. Division, seeing the division in the Lord. Without any other bhakti. Without any other bhakti. Ananya bhakti. God alone is primary. I don't have Veed bhakti, Putra bhakti, Pati bhakti, பத்னி பக்தி, இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு நிறைய பக்தி இருக்கும். அந்த பக்திஸ்ல பகவான் பக்தி ஒன்று. That cannot be ananya bhakti. We love so many things in the world and we love God also. That is not ananya bhakti. That is anya bhakti. Ananya bhakti is that I love God alone. I love God alone. What about others? I don't love all of them. What about money? No. I use money how much I want, but I don't have love for money. I don't have love for children. I love my children as Bhagavan's Rupam. I love them not as my son, not my daughter. I love my son, daughter as the manifestation of Lord. There is no raga, dvesha. If I love my son, daughter as the Bhagavan's Swarupam, I love everyone. I love everyone. Therefore, ananya bhaktina. There is no bhakti there is nothing other than Ishvara in the world. This is called ananya bhakti. For whom there is nothing other than Ishvara. God is primary. Morning if you get up, immediately Daiva Puja. Another way of diluting ahankara is how to dilute our ahankara. Thikka irukku ahankara, dense darkness madri. Ahankara is very, very, very thick. If ahankara is thick, I love Ekarupa Ishvara. My God only I love. If ahankara is thinner, I love all gods. Ahankara is nil, I love God as Satchit Swarupam. இப்போ அகங்காரம் விடணும். How to dilute அகங்காரம்னா ஒரு சின்ன டெக்னிக். We'll try that. What is the technique? Everything belongs to the Lord. Come on to say that word first, today onwards. Everything belongs to the Lord. Anyone praise you, you say, God's grace. Everything God's grace, everything belongs to the Lord. I am just a trustee. Never own up. Drop the ownership and say often, this is God's grace. And everything belongs to the Lord. These 3 steps we can follow. I am not the owner of anything. I am only trustee of the Ishvara's property. Second thing, I am seeing everything as Bhagavan. Everything is Lord. Nothing is there other than Bhagavan. So my ahankara will be diluted. And everything, whatever I gain, this is just because of by God's grace. Often use the word God's grace, God's grace. Ahankaram konchum korayum. Ippudella sonna. But you have to remember that time. Promotion, God's grace. Nice marks, God's grace. Good health, God's grace. Everything. எல்லாத்துக்குமே காட்ஸ் கிரேஸ் போட்டுட்டே இருக்கணும். அப்போ கொஞ்சம் ஃபீபிள் ஆகும் அகங்காரம் கொஞ்ச நாளுக்கு. ஓகே, அதுக்கு கிராஜுவலாக யூ வில் கெட் தட் சமத்வம் ஈஸ்வர தர்சனம். அகம் திரஷ்டும் ந சக்யः. ஹே அர்ஜுனா, அனன்யயா பக்தியா அகம் திரஷ்டும் சக்யः ஏவம் விதः ஞாத்தும் ச தத்வேன. By one, what is the advantage? If they have, I am the primary goal in their life, if they have, what is the advantage, you know? See what Lord Krishna says. Tatvena gnatum shakyaha. I can be seen, if they have that type of bhakti, I can be seen in this form, known truly also. Gnatum tatvena pravishtum. And there is a possibility of knowing me as true nature. Ada Gnatum tatvena paroksham or indirect Advaita Jnana Praptum Shastrataha anar. Ada Gnatum tatvena truly in its real sense. My nature they can understand. By Ananya Bhakti they can see my form. By seeing the Vishwarupa Darshanam they come to know my real nature through Shastra, through the Guru. Because Ahankara irundha Guru kitte pomatom. Nariya thick Ahankara irundha Shastram padikka maatam, Guru kitte pomatom. Ana konjam Ahankara vidanum Shastram padikkiradhukku. Appadina kashtam Swamini Shastram padikkiradhu. Vidalana, okay, all the best. Next birth. Okay. Thus, therefore, praveshtum. And they merge into me. See this. This is Mahavakyam again. Aneka Rupa Ishvara Bhakti, Ananya Bhakti leads to Vishwarupa Darshanam. Vishwarupa Darshanam leads to Tattva Jnanam. They merge, they become one with me, means they attain self-knowledge. That's why first have expansive mind. Vishalamana Hridayam Venam. Ellame Bhagavan angra பார்வை வேணும். அதுக்கு என்ன சஷ்மா போட்டுக்கணும்னா, என்ன கண்ணாடி போட்டுக்கணும்னா, ஒன்றும் கண்ணாடி கண்ணாடி ஒர்க் ஆகாதங்க. சுத்தமான மனசு அங்கே கண்ணாடி போட்டுக்கணும். நிஷ்காம பக்தி. விடு ராகம், காமம், குரோதம், லோபம், மோகம், மதம், ஆச்சரியம் எல்லாம் விடு. வாஷ் ஆஃப் ஆல் ஆஃப் தெம். எல்லாம் எப்போது இஃப் தே ரைஸ் இன் யுவர் மைண்ட் டக்குன்னு ஒரு குட்டு கொடுக்கணும், நம்மவே கொடுத்துக்கணும். We have to give a just கொடுக்கலாம், பரவாயில்ல. Because nobody knows. Paramanaha aprathyaksham. We do not know others' mind. நம்ம மனசு நமக்கு தானே தெரியும். That's why acceptance of my own weaknesses. அதுதான் first thing what we have to do. Acceptance of one's own weaknesses and corrections. Start that. That is called real sadhana. Ritevra Mukshu does this only. Every second correcting oneself. There is a room to grow for me. I never stop my journey. Correction la எப்பவுமே correction பண்ணிண்டே இருப்பேன். அதான் ஹே பரந்தபா. இந்த nice word பாருங்க. ஞாத்தும் தத்வேன ச பிரவேஷ்டும். Once they understand my true nature, then what? They recognize they are non-different from me. Krishna concluding. Therefore, what is the project now? If you want to get the true knowledge, mat karma krin mat paramaham mat bhakta sanga varjitaham nirvaira sarva bhuteshu yes samameti pandavam. Very 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 important shloka. Exams kandipa varum. Okay. Lord Krishna giving the whole project, how one should follow, all these steps. What are all they? He gives here. So Shravana Mana Nididhyasana Dwara one attains that knowledge. So Praveshtum manna ange dissolution of ahankara anartham. Dissolution of ahankara. Body aham mama iti bhavana. Aham shariraha. Edas sarvam mama. Aham mama iti ahankara and mamakara he gives up. Both belong to what? Anatma. Once he gives up that anatma bhavana, ahankara, mamakara, what is remaining? Atma. Aham brahma asmi. Saha yaha mat karma krit. Now we can change the order here. First, madbhaktaha. Yaha madbhaktaha. Who is my devotee? Ishvara prema, Ishvara anugraha, Tivra mumukshutvam yaha astina. Towards the Lord. Intense devotion towards the Lord. Madbhaktaha means Ishvara bhaktaha nartham, not Krishna bhaktaha. For Krishna madbhaktaha ani chonnar, Krishna bhaktaha ani sollakudadu. Ikkada mat anna Ishvara. Ishvara anna malli Lord Shiva ani sollakudadu. Sila per Ishvara ani sonna udane they take Lord Shiva. Ishvara means what? God, Lord. Maya sahitam Brahma, Paramatma. Paramatma. Brahman எடுக்கக்கூடாது. என்ன பிரம்மன்ல மல்லி பக்தி கிடையாது அங்க. You once you know, recognize. Brahman, where is the question of bhakti? யாரு கூட பக்தி பண்ணணும்? பக்தி பண்ணணும்னா அவர் என்ன மாயா கூட கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கணும். எப்போ ஈஸ்வரர் பிரம்மன் வந்து மாயா கூட கல்யாணம் பண்ணிட்டாரோ அப்படிதான் ஈஸ்வரன் ஆயிட்டாரு. அப்போதான் he gets the form. Once form comes what? Argyam samarpayami, padyam samarpayami. Atma nivedanam. இதுதான் ஆத்ம நிவேதனம். ஆத்ம நிவேதனம் means dropping those two flowers. What flowers? Ahankara, mamakara flowers on the feet of the Lord. வச்சுட்டு அப்பா flowers என்ன அது வைக்காம கோல்டன் ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் வச்சு பண்ணாலும் கூட no use. People go to Tirupati and they do puja with golden flowers. இந்த ரெண்டு ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் கொடுக்க மாட்டான். எது அந்த அகங்கார மமக்கார கொடுக்கவே மாட்டான். அதை விட மாட்டோம் சுவாமினி. அதான் மத் பக்தா நம்பர் 1. நம்பர் 2 சங்கவர்ஜிதா. Madbhaktaha, my devotee must be like this. Who is free from attachment? He is the real bhakta. Sangavarjitaha means iha amutra phala bhoga viragaha. I am not interested in these worldly objects. I am not interested even higher lokas. I am not interested in any post, any power. I am not interested. That is called Sangavarjitaha. He is alone is real bhakta. Okay. Number 3, Mat Paramaha. Who keeps me as supreme goal. Paramaha na supreme. Mat Paramaha means who keeps me as the ultimate goal, supreme goal. Aham eva paramam Lakshyam yasya saha matparamaha. These are the adjectives of all that bhakta. எப்படி இருக்கணும் நம்ம பக்தா? I am the ultimate goal for him. What is your goal? என்ன சொல்லுவேன்? I want to become a great engineer. I want to become a great doctor. என்ன சொல்றான்? I want to become the best devotee of the Lord. I want to a best devotee of the Lord. யாருக்கு சொல்ல வேண்டாம். ஓகே, நமக்கு நம்ம சொல்லிக்கணும். மத் பரமஹா. What is your goal? My goal is Bhagavan. My goal is Bhagavan. I want to attain him. I want to see him. I want to get him. I want to keep him with me. We are keeping so many things with us, you know. First cell phone. ஏதாவது விடுவோம். செல்போன் வச்சுன மாதிரி பகவான் வச்சுட்டான்னா மோட்சம் அப்பவே வந்துடும், டக்குன்னு வந்துடும். செல்போன் விட இந்த முக்கியமானது உலகத்தில் இப்போ ஒன்றுமே இல்லைன்னு தெரியறது. ஓகே, அதாவது ஃபோன் பண்ணுறது, அவருக்காவது ஃபோன் பண்ணக்கூடாது பகவானுக்கு செல்ஃபோன் வச்சுன்னு. எஸ்எம்எஸ் அனுப்பக்கூடாது அவருக்கு. யூ கேன் சென்ட் வெதர் இஸ் ரிசீவிங் ஆர் நாட், டோன்ட் வரி. ஓகே, யூ சென்ட் த எஸ்எம்எஸ் டு பகவான், ஹி வில் ரிசீவ். டெல் ஹிம் எவ்ரிதிங், சென்ட் த மெசேஜ் டு ஹிம். அனுப்ப முடியுமோ? பண்ணி பாருங்க. சுவாமி நம்பர் இல்லாமல் எப்போ யாருக்கு அனுப்ப முடியும்? Through the heart you can, Bhagavan, I am sending SMS to you every minute and சொல்லி மனசு. இதுக்கு வந்து செல்ஃபோன் வயர்லெஸ், ஓகே, வயர்லெஸ்ல போயிடும். இட் நீட் நாட் ஹாவ் எ மிஷின் செப்பரேட்லி. Your heart is the cell phone. Through the heart you can send the SMS to the Lord. What is your cell phone now? Heart. Hridayam. My Hridayam is the cell phone to send the SMS to the Bhagavan. How many SMS you have sent today? Kanak. Okay. Mat Paramaha. Then fourth one is Mat Karma Krita. Who does works for me? Who does or dedicate his all actions, mundane, religious activities to me. Who dedicate all his activities to me. Mat karma. What are all prescribed by me? Those actions who dedicate to me. This is a capsule verse. Okay. Explaining all this like a big chart madri. Mat karma krituna. Does all actions which are prescribed by Shastra and give to the Lord. Panditappa. Ella mudichita assignment. Assignment mudichita. Panchamaha pannite aa pannite. Daiva yagna okay tick. Pitri yagnam tick. Rishi yagnam tick. Manushi yagnam tick. This is called assignment with the Lord. You have to give assignment to the Lord. Kekrar our mat karma krita. Number 5. Nirvairaha sarva bhuteshu. And who is free from hatred towards all. Nirvairaha. Vairamanna hatred. Enmity. Nirvairaha means free from enmity. I love everyone. A bhakta is one who loves everyone. I love everyone, Swamini, except one. Sarva bhuteshu, even other beings. I have to develop. No complaints towards any people, no, towards any beings or towards any object in this creation. No complaint. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. And chollanam. Pattu vaate. So what? Mam yeti. If that person fulfills all these 5, no, whoever is mat bhaktaha, mat paramaha, who is surrendering to all activities to me, mat karma kritu nirvairaha sarva bhuteshu mam yeti. He attains me, reaches me, comes to me. Comes to me means what? Recognize my real nature as himself. With this, Lord Krishna concludes. Om Tat Sat. Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Vishwarupa Darshana Yogo Nama Ekadashodhyayah. Thus ends the Vishwarupa Darshana Yoga 11th chapter over. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.